Electric vehicles are coming. Whether we like it or not, within 5 years, we're probably all going to have an electric car, might be 10. So you need to be sure that you're putting in the right vehicle charger and putting in the right solar system that's going to work with that. And you want to future-proof your home as well. But you want to use a highly efficient panel on the roof because we're going to need more solar up there than you realise. As time goes by, we're using more and more energy. We need to put more panels and we need more energy to come off the roof. And especially moving forward into the world of EVs or electric vehicles, because a car uses around about 7 kilowatts on a single phase or about 22 kilowatts on a 3-phase to charge it. So a solar system would not be 22 kilowatts to charge a car, so we're going to really need to maximise that roof space by using high efficiency panels, systems that use up as least roof space as possible to get the maximum output of the system that we install. We also supply and install the only EV or car charger that's available in Australia at the moment that can guarantee the electricity that you're putting into that car is green energy. Because most car chargers, when you charge your car, you're charging it off the grid. You're not charging it off the solar panels, even though you've got solar panels. So you need to make sure that the car charger that you install is one that communicates with the solar inverter, so when the car is charging, you're not using power off the grid. So you want to be setting your home up correctly now. You know, in 3 years, 5 years, maybe 10 years, you're going to have an electric car. There's going to be other electric appliances we don't even know of yet. So you want to make sure that you're ready for that. And the right solar system now is going to be able to cater for that later.